You're about to learn what even most techies pretend to understand. Normal computers use bit zeros and ones. Quantum computers, they use qubits 0, 1, and both at the same time. It's like your computer having multiple personalities, but it's a genius. Then there's entanglement, where one qubit instantly knows what the other is doing, yes, faster than your X moves on. And interference? It helps quantum computers cancel wrong answers like a ninja. So why care? Quantum computers could crack passwords, cure diseases, or maybe help you find your lost socks. Quantum isn't the future, it's the now scientists are still trying to figure out. Follow for more tech in human language.